Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. As you know, on Wednesday in Parliament, Honourable Navosa had taken a petition saying that the people in Navosa were not happy with the conversion of the Navosa High School into a campus of the Technical College. That was a bit, we were taken aback by that comment and that particular action of Honourable Gavoka, because we had held discussions with the Navosa Provincial Council, and we had written approval from the council for us to go ahead and make arrangements for the students who are there and convert that campus into a fully fledged technical college campus. So today we decided to come down and check with the Provincial Council, who are the owners of the school. One, whether they have, what's their position and view about the petition, and secondly, whether due process was followed by them to before they gave the permission for us to convert the technical college into a campus. I'm happy to say today the chairman is here on my left, and they have reassured us that they are looking forward to this initiative of government, which will address a major lacuna currently here in the Navosa district with respect to providing an alternative skilled pathway to the children of Navosa.
Right from day one, we've made our intentions well known. We're very supportive of the initiative by the government on converting the high school into a technical college. I think this is just not just for the district alone. I think it pretty much services the whole province as a whole in terms of upskilling our youths in particular, preparing them for the workforce. I think in general, holistically, our support of this remains. So we haven't waived, we haven't changed our mind, and looking forward to working with the ministry and the government to make this a fruition and a reality. Surprisingly, we got that on the news. In terms of a due process that on our side that we need to fulfill and follow through, I think we have done all that. So in terms of going forward, we'll be negotiating with the ministry responsible. Obviously, the government of the day and the ministry will have to go through the due process that is required in Parliament before we formalize on any agreement. From what I've gathered, I haven't spoken to the principal yet, but I think there's a few disgruntled parents, but not majority, that's for sure. That obviously I've mentioned to the Honourable Minister that the authenticity of the petition is probably questionable as well. So I won't go any further than that.
Yeah. Well, I said to Honourable Gavoka, I said, look, the petition has no value because the owners of the school want an opportunity to be given to the children of Navosa province, and I said that he should do what is honourable in terms of immediately withdrawing the petition and let the children of this province get an opportunity to attend a technical college closer to their home. So I don't think there's any merit in even talking about the petition. We will, in a few months' time, we will go to cabinet. Once the cabinet, as you know, the cabinet will scrutinize our submission. When the cabinet approves it, that's where we will come back to them, get the MOU signed, and then we'll start informing these stakeholders on how we address all the other needs of the children. There are some children who will not be attending the technical college. So where will they be placed? So this is something that we will make arrangements for, the transportation as well.
I think for the better of the future generations of this province in particular, I think politics should be stood aside for the betterment of all people concerned.
Chairman, I think finally